This question says sum of some numbers is 100. And these are consecutive natural numbers such that n1 is less than n2, n2 is less than n3, and so on. How many values of n are possible? Okay, so we can also take it as if these are consecutive natural numbers, then we need to find all such APs whose sum is 100 and the common difference is 1, right? Where the first term is first term is n1 and the last term is the last term L is n of n. So we have 100 is equal to number of terms is n by 2, 2 into n1 plus n minus 1 into common difference being 1, sum of an AP. So we'll have 200 is equal to n into 2n1 plus n minus 1. So this is what we get. Now this is one number, this is another number, so we need to find, we can take this as a into b. So in how many ways can we write 200 as a into b? It can be 1 into 200, this can be 2 into 100, this can be 4 into 50, this can be 5 into 40, this can be 10 into 20, this can be 25 into 8, and again this can be 40 into 5 and so on. So the repetitions we are not going to consider it as of now. So if n is 1, can this be equal to 200? Okay, so this gives us n being only 100. So we have n1 is equal to 100. This is what we get. Okay, for 2 into 100, if n is 2, so we will have n1 as fraction. You try to calculate it, we'll get this as fraction. If n is 4, we will get n1 as this being 50, so this will again give you a fraction. With n being 5, you will have n1 is equal to 18. If we have n1 as 10, you will, if you have small n as the number of terms as 10, you will get n1 as again fraction. And if you have n as 25, n is equal to 25, you will get this as again as a n1 as fraction. Okay, if we take n1 as 8 into 25, we will get n1 as 9. If we take this as 20 into 10, so from here we'll get n1 as fraction again. Okay, so looking at all the values, of course we require consecutive values, we cannot have just one value, so we have two such possible cases. So the answer is 2. Another method without using the formula is, we know that if we have odd number of terms, okay, let's say we have odd number of terms, then the average of odd number of terms is the middlemost value. So let's say we have 100 terms and I need to divide it into 5 equal parts. So I'll put 20 in 5 at 5 places. I'll put 20 in 5 places. If I want them to be consecutive, I can treat them as 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Their sum is 100 and they're consecutive. So one answer is over here. Now, if we have even number of terms, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, then if these are consecutive values, if this is x and this is x plus 1, the average of this AP will be the average of the middle two terms. Since they are consecutive, this answer should be in 0.5. So can I say 100 divided by something, that 100 divided by any value should comes in a value which is should be 0.5. So we know that 100 divided by 8 gives us 12.5, right? So this will be 12, this is 13, so this is 14, this is 15, this is 16, this is 11, 10, 9. So we have 4 and 4. We have 8 values and their sum is going to be 100. So we have the second case. So this is an alternate method of calculating such kind of values.